In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Moneygram app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Play Store. And now from here, we need to click onto search. This works for both Android and iOS device users. Just go to your app store. So from here, you want to search apps and games. And now type in Moneygram, like so. Make sure to spell it correctly. All right, here's Moneygram. So time recording, it's got close to 69,000 reviews and over 1 million downloads. So go ahead and click into the app and then click on the install button. So what this is going to do, this is going to download and install the Moneygram app onto your mobile device. So depending how fast your internet speed, it should only take a few moments. I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once it's downloaded and installed. All right, so once that is done, it will say open. So go ahead and open up your Moneygram app on your, and then from here, you need to create a new account or sign in or make a future video on how to do this.